In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the header on your Google site, a simple yet effective way to personalize your online presence. Whether you're creating a site for personal use, work, or a fun project, setting the right tone starts with a compelling header. We're going to explore how you can choose the perfect header type to match your site's aesthetic and purpose. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open up your Google site. If you're unfamiliar, Google Sites is an incredibly user-friendly platform, perfect for those who want a simple yet powerful means of building a website without the need for advanced technical skills. Once you've navigated to your site, have a quick look around to familiarize yourself with the layout. At the top of the page, you'll see the default header, a prime piece of real estate that welcomes visitors and introduces your site's theme or branding. Next, let's focus on selecting the header. You can begin by simply clicking on the header itself. This action will reveal a menu labeled Header Type. Here is where the customization fun begins. You have several options to choose from: cover, large banner, banner, and title only. Each of these options offers a different emphasis, and an impact for your site. The cover option can be particularly compelling if you're looking to make a bold statement. With this selection, you allow an image or design to cover the entire width of the page, creating a visually striking entrance. This is perfect for sites that rely heavily on visuals or want to make a memorable first impression. If you'd prefer something a bit more moderate, you might choose the large banner or banner options. These configurations provide a balanced approach, allowing for an eye-catching header without overshadowing the rest of your site's content. They work well for professional sites or blogs where information is key, yet a touch of creativity is appreciated. Finally, for those who prefer a minimalist look, the title-only option is available. This choice keeps your header simple and clean, focusing on text rather than imagery. It's ideal for sites where content is king and a streamlined design is desired. After you've made your selection, take a moment to view the changes. You might want to adjust your site's header image or text to ensure everything looks as polished as possible. This simple customization can significantly influence the overall vibe and navigability of your site. So take advantage of Google Sites' easy-to-use interface to experiment until you're satisfied. Once you're done, don't forget to hit the Publish button if you want your audience to see your updates. And there you have it, a freshly customized Google site header that will set a positive tone for your visitors, inviting them to explore your content further. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.